Hi, welcome to PW Holding, authorized partner for Sage Business Cloud Accounting with Sage Asia. Recurring invoices. Sage Business Cloud Accounting allows you to create an invoice for a specific customer that needs to be repeated for a specific period or time. This process is called recurring invoices, whereby you create an invoice that needs to repeat every day or every month or every year on a specific date or time for a specific customer. This process will repeat until the end date has been reached. Customers, transactions, customer recurring invoices. Add recurring invoice. Complete the screen with the following information. Select the customer, recurring invoice number generated from the system. Select the sales rep. If customer has a reference number, enter the reference number. If discount applies to the customer transaction, enter a discount percentage in the discount percentage field. Ensure that the active checkbox is checked. If it is not, the system will not create any new invoices from this recurring invoice. Specify the recurring invoice details in the recurring invoice setup section. The recurring invoice is reliant on the information specified in this section. Ensure that you specify the following. Start date of recurring invoice. Frequency of the recurring invoice, be it daily, weekly, monthly, annually, and so on. End date, which will indicate when the system must stop creating invoices from this recurring invoice. Due date for payment, which the system uses to calculate the payment due date on each invoice created from this recurring invoice. Email address. If the invoices are to be sent automatically, click Email Signature to enter text. That will be included in the body of the sent email. Check the CC checkbox if you want to send a copy of the invoice to yourself or another recipient. Sage Business Cloud Accounting automatically populates your registered company email address in this field. Select whether you want the system to save the recurring invoice as a draft or to process and send the new invoice to the customer automatically. You then enter or select one of the multiple delivery addresses. Check the Use Inclusive Amount checkbox to enter inclusive prices and uncheck the checkbox to enter exclusive prices in the Lines section. Enter the invoice information in the lines by selecting the items or accounts that need to be invoiced. Click on Save or Save and New to update the system with this information and or create a new recurring invoice. You can add additional user-defined fields to your recurring invoice. To do so, click on the Options button at the top of the screen followed by the Show User-Defined Fields option. View Draft Invoices. If you want to view your draft invoices, click on the View Draft Invoices button. For more details, please log into www.pwholdings.lk. Thank you.